This $11 million Gold Coast waterfront mansion is easily one of the best homes in Carrara, with over an acre of waterfront land and a massive 6-bedroom, 7-bathroom home. The worst part about this house would be trying to find 14 cars to fill up the garage with. Step into a world of unrivaled luxury and resort-style living with this exquisite 6-bedroom residence, perfectly positioned in an exclusive enclave along the majestic main river. One of just 15 exclusive estates, this architectural masterpiece, designed by Bayden Goddard, is a modern marvel perched on over 4,200 square meters of land, boasting an impressive 37 meters of main river frontage. This property promises a lifestyle of unparalleled grandeur, where entertaining and daily life seamlessly converge. As you step into this architectural gem, the experience begins in the grand foyer. It's a showstopper, featuring a glittering custom chandelier and dramatic peacock feather wallpaper, the perfect prelude to the delights that await. The heart of the home, a chef's kitchen and butler's pantry, is a culinary haven with a remarkable 4.7-meter granite island, Gaggenau appliances, and an integrated Liebherr fridge freezer. You'll find multiple havens for hosting guests, whether it's the glass-encased poolside pavilion with a riverside deck, a covered alfresco area featuring an 8-seater teppanyaki grill, or the open-plan lounge, dining, and living zone. But this property offers more than just entertainment. It's a haven of relaxation. An 18-meter infinity-edge saltwater pool, championship tennis court, and a 15-meter pontoon by the river provide outdoor enjoyment. Indoors, a home theater awaits, complete with tiered seating, projector, and an oversized screen, ensuring a gold-class cinema experience. Sports enthusiasts will appreciate the Monaco Grand Prix-inspired bar, equipped with 4 quad-screen TVs, dual Vintec wine fridges, an ice maker, and retractable full-height glass doors that seamlessly blend the indoors with the outdoors. Upstairs, the lavish master suite is your tranquil retreat, with floor-to-ceiling windows offering captivating river views. It comes complete with a designer dressing room and an opulent ensuite featuring twin granite vanities, a dual shower, and a freestanding bath. The property also boasts 5 other king-size bedrooms, each with their own ensuite. Other remarkable features includes a 10-car basement garage, gymnasium, executive office, and Sonos home automation throughout. This home redefines luxury living. It's a fusion of opulence, functionality, and natural beauty, offering an unmatched blend of elegance and entertainment. It's a promise of grandeur, a haven of entertainment, and a masterpiece of modern living.